Forget what you know about the Ford Explorer, because this one just threw the rulebook out the window. This isn't your average soccer dad SUV. Oh no, this is a road-hugging, head-turning beast straight out of tuning heaven. Welcome to the Cor.Speed Ford Explorer, where American muscle meets German obsession with style. This isn't some watered-down version from Ford Europe pretending to be adventurous. This is the real deal. A plug-in hybrid monster with 457 horsepower and a stance that screams, "Get out of my way." Brought to life by the mad geniuses at toestuning.de in northern Germany, this Explorer has been blessed with 22-inch Cor.Speed Atmos wheels, forged in flow-formed glory to keep things light but lethal. Finished in high-gloss black, these multi-spoke stunners hit different, especially with all the chrome deleted and blacked out like a stealth fighter on a mission. But wait. It drops. Yeah, this SUV doesn't just roll, it glides. Thanks to a custom air suspension, one push of a button and boom. It hugs the pavement like it was born on a racetrack. It's bold, it's blacked out, it's brutally beautiful, and it's got the street presence of a thunderstorm on wheels. Massive shout out to Lorenz Woltemath aka at Low Perspective for capturing this beast the way it deserves. Low, loud, and legendary.